Hi YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll show you this application where you can edit this one and earn more on your AdMob account. As you can see, I earned $20.84. That's just for today, and that is just 2 clicks. I have $10.42 CPC. So let me show you this application, okay? And just stay um, oh, for more new upcoming videos. Now let me open my API Builder account and I will show you more about this application. The name of the application is Boost Your Earning. So let me walk you through on how to do this. Let me open the APK file so that you will see the application running. So first you have to enter your username, phone number, referral code if there is, sponsor code, whatever. Just click accept and then you will see the IP address, number, name, points that you will have, and also you can try to slide it right so that you can see the slide bar and some options in there like home, today task, wallet, balance, notification, refer and earn, right, query. So for this video I will put the link below so that you can download this AIA file so that you can edit this one to your API Builder or Tankable, whatever. So alright, so guys, after you download the file, all you have to do is to go to your API Builder account, and then after that I want you to look for the file that you just downloaded and open that one so that you can start editing the files or the application rather. So look for the application and it should be the AIA file, okay, not the APK file, because the APK already an application, so you cannot edit that one. So after you open the application, try to change the name of the application if you want. Instead of diamond, you can change it, and the picture as well you can change to whatever logo that you have, and it should be a logo that easy to or yeah, a lot of customers, I would prefer that the logo that you choose, it should be a nice logo that like easy application to use or user-friendly application, something like that, so that the customers or the users will encourage to use this application. And after you edit this this application, you can actually go to, or after you edit the logo, actually you can check the other screen. We have contacts, so contact us, you can change that one as well, especially the email address, the phone number. You can also go to your main or home, and you can change the picture, and after that, so after you change the picture, you can actually change the name of the default name on the application, and also you can choose, you can edit login or some other screen You can also go to notification. You can change the task, especially the task, if how many impression or captchas would you like to let them enter. And also you change your code as well for your AdMob account. That is the very important one, because you will not earn if you will not put your AdMob account. You can also check the blocks or the codes on it. There's a lot of options in there. Actually, you can change the picture. If you don't have one, you can change the, or you can just actually choose an default pictures on this application. So what else? Let us check. If there is a problem with the codes, it's better to double check on it first before you upload it, or I mean before you save it as an APK file, so that you can make sure that the application is running safe, running perfectly. So alright, so I think that's it. For this one, guys, I'll put the link below on this video. I will put the link where you can download this application and edit this one on your API Builder account, or on your Thankable account. So for this one, good luck and enjoy. If you see this video helpful for you, don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button or the bell icon, so that you will be updated on my next videos, where it might help you for earning money online. So for this one, leave some comments below and let me know what are your suggestions for this, for my next video as well. If you have more questions, don't forget to leave some comments below, and see you on my next video. Alright, bye for now.